Which part of the neuron receives impulses? Answer is dendrite. The normal adult blood volume is approximately. Answer is 5 to 6 L. Which hormone is known as the fight or flight hormone? Adrenaline. The largest lobe of the brain is. Frontal. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? Pulmonary artery. The human vertebral column contains. "33 vertebrae. The pacemaker of the heart is. Say node. Which organ produces bile? Liver. The normal platelet count is. (150,000 to 450,000 cubic euro). The smallest functional unit of muscle contraction is. Sarcomere. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? Optic. The normal fasting blood glucose level is. 70 to 100 mg dl. Which bone forms the forehead? Frontal. The largest white blood cell is. Monocyte. Which chamber of the heart has the thickest wall? Left ventricle. The functional unit of the liver is. Lobule. Which electrolyte is the major intracellular cation? Potassium. The average lifespan of platelets is. 7 to 10 days. Which hormone increases blood calcium levels? Parathyroid hormone. The largest salivary gland is parotid. The normal cerebrospinal fluid is produced by choroid plexus. Which blood group has no antibodies? AB. The major site of hematopoiesis in adults is bone marrow. The strongest tendon in the body is Achilles tendon. Which part of the nephron is responsible for filtration? Glomerulus. The normal oxygen saturation, SpO2, is 95 to 100%. Which hormone is secreted by beta cells of pancreas? Insulin. The auditory ossicles are located in the middle ear. The largest vein in the body is inferior vena cava. Which vitamin is essential for RBC maturation? Vitamin B12. The normal adult tidal volume is 500 ml. The hormone responsible for milk ejection is oxytocin. Which bone is called the kneecap? Patella. The normal serum sodium level is B 135 to 145 MEQL. The largest part of the respiratory tract is lungs. Which enzyme converts fibrinogen to fibrin? Thrombin. The normal adult pulse pressure is 40 mm of mercury. Which gland secretes melatonin? Pineal. The primary organ of hearing is cochlea. The normal adult urine specific gravity is 1.005 to 1.030. Which hormone decreases blood glucose levels? Insulin. The largest cartilage in the larynx is thyroid cartilage. The main function of surfactant is reduce surface tension. Which blood cell is most numerous? Neutrophil. The normal adult systolic blood pressure is C 120 milliliters of mercury. Which part of the brain controls respiration? Medulla oblongata. The largest organ inside the abdominal cavity is liver. The normal adult cardiac output is 5 L-min. Which hormone regulates water balance in the body? ADH. The structural and functional unit of the nervous system is neuron. Subscribe for more videos.